The next station is Vietnam.
Guys, nasa longest cable car! Sabay pa kami yan. Parang panaginip lang to lahat. Ay, si OA. Parang panaginip.
Yellow diamonds in the light. Now we're standing side by side.
Ano? Ang ganda namin. Ate Jenny, ganda.
Crosses mine.
Lakarin mo yun, ha?
What it takes to come alive.
Nasaan na yung buffet namin? First time in Vietnam. First time ko to guys na nag-out of the country. Nang hindi ako umuwi ng Pilipinas. Puro kasi tayo uwi ng Pilipinas eh. So try naman natin sa ibang bansa. Ito na tayo. Sa libreng buffet. Buffet. Buffet? Thank you. Guys, this is what we paid for. Look! A lot of foods. Guys, sana magustuhan natin yung mga food. Kasi sayang yung binayad natin. Pag hindi, ang mahal pa naman. Oh, wow! Thank you very much for reserving a seat for me. Serving? Saving? Serving? Bahala na kayo. Kuha na tayo. Gutom na ako eh. Tara. Bye-bye guys. Kain lang kami. See you later. Mwah!
The way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I gotta let it go.
Ayoko niyan. Wala. Parang puno. Ayoko niyan. yung mukha mo, normal lang. Stir-fried minced pork. Galing pala na ito. Paatras pala ang andar nito. Galing pala mag-drive. Uy. Amazing guys. Hindi. Liligo lang pala siya. We'll go to the beach. I'll show you around. Look guys. Here we are. Sige, mag-rides lang kayo dyan. Enjoy nyo yun. Ay, organic encounter. Organic encounter. Muli na mahilig. Organic encounter na suso. Si Lola. Guys, akit tayo ngayon pizza. I'm on the top of the world. Down on creation, the only explanations I can find. Guys, parang nasa Italia. Ang ganda ng mga view. Tanawin dyan, guys. Ay, organic encounter. Guys, ayaw nila akong picture na maganda. Bubuisit ako sa dalawa na 8 girl Larry. Oh, masagasaan kayo.